We are Boats Incorporated, an award-winning boat dealership and marina located in Niantic, Connecticut. We proudly sell family fishing brands such as Grady-White, Parker, and Sportsman Boats. Customer satisfaction is our highest priority, and this year our dealership was awarded the Gold Anchor Award for the highest customer satisfaction rate amongst all Grady-White dealers. With the purchase of a new or used boat, you get our team of 27 employees as standard equipment. If you are looking to join the boating lifestyle, you need to come check us out and take advantage of the best deals of the year.